Vlogmas Day 14. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. Today I'm going to do something a little different. We're going to bake some brown sugar shortbread cookies. Distracted by cute kitten. So I'm going to do a kind of a quiet video. I'm going to just show the process and put the words up on the screen and put music behind it for the baking part, and then I'll show you the advent at the end. All right, while the cookies are baking, we're going to open up our Advent. And today's cheese is mature cheddar. Don't want any immature cheddar. And today's coffee is organic Colombian. My husband will enjoy that. Good old-fashioned coffee. All right, back to cookies. Here is the finished product. These are the cookies that I added a little bit of sugar to, my little freeform ones. This is the traditional style, and the hazelnut coffee with a little coconut whipped cream on top because it's dessert time. Got my hazelnut coffee with some coconut whipped cream on top, and I have my plate of cookies right here. You might be able to hear my sleeping dog. I hope you can't hear the washer, dryer, all of the appliances that are going on around us right now, but you probably can. Try not to have a whipped cream mustache. Just a cookie. Perfect. These are just a butter cookie. They're so buttery and flaky and crunchy and perfection. The brown sugar gives them just a little bit more color when you're between the brown sugar and the butter. A little bit more color, a little bit more flavor because of the molasses that's in the brown sugar. And if you've ever made a shortbread before, it's probably just had white sugar, which is also very good, but I would really give this a try if you want a really simple holiday cookie. Thanks for baking with me and making a fun, easy holiday cookie. If you try it, I'd love to know. And if you do something different, like add the cranberries or pecans or, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit, I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. See you tomorrow for my regular video.